In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting MSG files to PDF format using the manual as well as professional method. Let's start with manual method to convert MSG files to PDF format. Firstly, open MSG file in Microsoft Outlook. Now, go to File option and click on Print or press Ctrl+P. Then, select Microsoft Print to PDF or another PDF printer from the list. After that, click Print, choose name and location to save the file, and lastly, click Save. Now let's check the Pro method to convert MSG files to PDF format using the MailsWare MSG Converter toolkit. To install our MSG to PDF converter, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Select a Folder button and select the folder or folders containing the MSG files you wish to convert. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to convert. Our tool also allows users to preview data before conversion. Simply click on any folder to view its contents. Select an email to see the message. The tool will only display relevant information in the content section of the preview. Users also have the option to view and save attachments if there are any. Right-click to save attachments. To convert an MSG file to PDF format, go to the Convert option. Saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select PDF option for this tutorial. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. The File Naming option allows users to select a name format for the output file when converting it. Next, click the Convert button, and the conversion process will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the conversion was successful. Click OK to open the destination folder and access the newly converted files. Our tool provides filter options to precise the conversion. Here, user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in exported MSG files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.